What's up, Odooers, and welcome back. Today, we're going to see how skills help us find some great candidates, sometimes from within our own company. By specifying the skills required for a job, we can quickly assess which applicants are the best fit, ensuring we hire the right people faster. Using skills, we can search across our entire talent pool and not just those who applied for a specific position, which makes it easier to fill roles efficiently. So, follow me as I use skills to find the perfect match for our social media coordinator position. All right, first things first, let's take a look at our currently configured skills. To view all of our different skills, we're just going to click on configuration followed by skill types. Now on this page, I can see all the skills color coded and organized by skill type. And here on the right, we can also see the different type of levels that each skill can be set to. Now let's take a closer look at our marketing skill types. Here are all the skills listed within this category. And if we scroll down earlier, I noticed that we were missing a couple of important skills related to social media coordinator positions. We want to ensure that our candidates can handle influencers and internet trolls. So I added crisis management as well as influencer collaboration to the marketing skills list. If I needed to add another skill, I could just click add a line and then add that skill name. But I have everything I need for now, so I'm just going to click away from this. Okay, let's take a look at our applicant pool for the social media coordinator position. To view that, we're just going to click on applications at the top, followed by job positions. Then we're simply just going to click on the social media coordinator role. So if we scroll to the side, here in the first interview column, we have Patrick Poster. And if we click into his card as well as his skills tab, when he applied, all of his skills listed on his resume that matched the configured skills in our database automatically transferred over to his applicant record. Since I added those new social media skills to the database after he applied and his skills were initially transferred, I need to manually add them so the applicant record matches his existing skills. So to do that, I'm just going to click Add in the Skills section here. And let's go ahead and add crisis management. We already have the skill type selected as marketing, so I'm just going to type in crisis. And we're going to give his skill level to 75%. And then we're just going to click Save and New. Now let's add our influencer collaboration skill. Again, have the skill type already set. We're just going to put influencer in this field here. And for this skill level, we're going to give him 100%. And then lastly, we're just going to click Save and Close. And now all of his skills are up to date. So if Patrick is hired, all these skills will be transferred into his employee form. If he's not hired, his skills will still remain in the database. When we search our applicant pool for candidates, if he's a match, we can reach out and see if he's interested in a different position. Pretty cool, right? Just another example of how Odoo apps work together. Now, let's put these skills to work. Using these skills, we can search our entire database for candidates and applicants for other roles. These are people who didn't apply for this job, but match the skills we're looking for. This ensures a broader, more inclusive hiring process while maximizing our entire talent pool. Now, let's go to a job position details by clicking on the job positions breadcrumb. And we're going to hover over the social media coordinator card. And this time we're going to click the three dots here in the upper right-hand corner. Then we're going to click configuration. So each job position can list skills that we want applicants to have here in the expected skills field. So let's see if we have any applicants in our database that match these skills. To check that, we're just going to click the gear icon here at the top, followed by search matching applicants. Here's a list of all the applicants in the database that match the skills we're looking for. I can see the skills they have, as well as the skills that they're missing. This is a great feature in case we have a perfect applicant that might have applied for a different position. For example, I see here Poly Jacket has half the skills we need, not just visually, but also through the matching score here, which she has the highest score of 50. I can also take a closer look at her profile by clicking into this entry in the list. And here I can see all the different skills that she has. And I can also see which job she applied for previously if I hit the applications button here. So it looks like she applied for our marketing manager position. I can look at the application by clicking on this entry here as well. I want to add a note for our recruitment team and letting them know that she might be a good fit for the social media coordinator position. So in that case here, I'm just going to click log note and paste in this message to our team. This candidate might be a good fit for the social media coordinator position if she meets all the requirements. Then from here, I'm just going to hit log. And that does it for today's tutorial. We learned how skills can help us recruit the perfect employee by adding skills to a job position, applicant card, and how to search their skills. Tune into other recruitment tutorials where we learn about hiring and reporting. Till next time, happy recruiting.